Welcome back everyone. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the tools of performance testing and why is Apache JMeter used mostly over another automation tools for performance testing. So basically there are many automation tools are available in market to do the performance testing, like there's an Apache JMeter, Gatling, LoadRunner, NewLoad, WebLoad, BlazeMeter, Locust, K6, Load Ninja, Artillery, LoadView, LoadUI, Skill Performer, and App Loader. So there are so many tools available, but like Apache JMeter, this is an open source tool that is free to use. There's no need to make any payment for this software to use, but LoadRunner, that is commercial, or we can say it's a paid tool. We need to buy a license to use this software. So this is the one of the reason why Apache JMeter is mostly used. And what is an Apache JMeter tool? So like Apache JMeter is a free open source Java tool that helps measures the performance of an applications. It can simulate heavy loads on a system to test its strength. So basically this is an open source and free tool, and this is Java tool. So because it is made by Java, so like it is of very useful because it can be run on many platforms. Like it can be used on Linux and Windows, Mac. Okay, so it is very useful just because it is a Java tool. Okay, and what is that analyzes and measures the performance of software products and services platforms to perform load testing, functional testing, and performance testing of web applications, checks the extreme load to a system, tries to break the system by crashing it resources. So basically it is used the performance testing, and it gives a heavy load on the application under test, and by that we can measure the performance of an application under test. Why it's useful? It's a popular performance testing platform. It supports a wide range of protocols and technologies including HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, JDBC, SOAP, REST, and API WebSocket. It can be customized to fit your specific testing needs. So basically it's useful to do performance testing, and HTTP or HTTPS, that is on web applications, file transfer protocol, and JDBC, that is for database testing. You can do measure the performance of database as well, and these are for SOAP and REST. These are for API testing. You can conduct API testing as well, and WebSocket, this is related to micro web services. So these are different types of protocols that are supported by JMeter. Okay, so Apache JMeter is an open source software for load testing applications and measuring their performance. Load test simulate end user behavior that approaches the limits of application specifications. Tester can use Apache JMeter to simulate varying of heavy loads on signaler or multiple servers, networks, or objects to test system strength. So these are the benefits of JMeter. Some of the benefits of using Apache JMeter include the following: open source code base support for browser plugins, support for offline analysis and test results, displays test results in a variety of ways including charts, trees, tables of log files, user-friendly graphical user interface support for multiple types of tests and basic protocols. So these are some advantages of using JMeter and why Apache JMeter is preferred over other performance tools. because this is open source, this is free to use, okay, and it is freely available and can be customized to fit your specific testing needs and versatility. JMeter supports a wide range of protocols and technology including HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, JDBC, Soft, REST, WebSocket and more. This versatility makes it suitable for testing various types of applications and services. JMeter user-savvy interface. JMeter provides a graphical user interface that makes it relatively easy to create and manage test plans, set up test scenarios and visualize test results. JMeter also scalability testing is JMeter support distributing testing, allowing you to simulate a large number of users by distributing the load across multiple machines. This makes it suitable for testing application under the high load. So the main thing is it is an open source because it is free to use. Anyone can use it for free, and it can, another thing is like it can be used to test the different applications, like it can be used to test the websites, it can use for file transfer protocols, for database testing, for API testing and micro web services testing. So that's why, and it's very easy to use. To its graphical user interface is very easy to use, okay. And another thing is there is no much need of coding language is required in this course. There is the use of Beanshell scripting in the but it's for higher or advanced level. For basic it's not that necessary, just do the scripting. So scalability testing, so it's like it supports distributing testing, basically many machines or many computers that can be used to do the distributed testing, and it allows to simulate a large number of users, okay. So it is if we need to perform a large as an example, there is a website and we to test it for the large number of users. So what we can is we can do the distribute testing, which is the use of the many computers at a time, and those computers will perform or give the high load to the website, okay. So that's why it's more useful. Another things are plugins or extendability. JMeter has a vibrant community that has developed a wide range of plugins to extend its functionality. These plugins can add features and protocols that might not be available out of the box. So basically there are some plugins which can use with the JMeter to do another or additional functionality testing, okay. So like there a plugin manager, we can download the plugin manager and we can install another plugins to or another features and functionality to which can be used by JMeter. Now is scripting language scripting support. While the GUI is user friendly, JMeter also supports scripting languages like Groovy, JavaScript and Java and Beanshell. This can help create custom logic and advanced scenarios. So we can use Java and JavaScript and Beanshell scripting for advanced level type of logics and scenarios. Detailed reporting. JMeter provides various built-in listeners and reporting tools that help you analyze test results and identify performance bottlenecks. So we can use many built-in listeners and reporting tools in JMeter to get the detailed reporting. Integration with CI/CD. JMeter can be easily integrated into continuous integration and continuous development pipelines, allowing you to automate performance testing as part of your development process. So it can be used with CI/CD and we can automate the performance testing, okay. So this is for right now. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.